obviously the cover has the jigsaw of your face all over the place. And you spent many years getting to the face you have today. What is so challenging about surgery on the face? Not just for you as a woman, but for you as an opera singer. You're an opera singer.
Well, for me as an opera singer, the diagnosis was cataclysmic. It's put my career plans and my very instrument at risk. It was my raison d'etre at the moment, besides all the other ways that the face and the voice and everything above the neck is part of what we present as our personal identity.